If you have something you really want to get rid of and can't do with standard cleaning products, let me introduce you to the white pumice stone. Now, white pumice stones are a much finer grit, so they're really nice for cleaning. And I actually got this for my shower glass doors. And I will tell you that is a very high risk thing to use pumice on. So if you do use these on your glass shower doors, just be sure to test it in a small corner to begin with. And the reason I got these for my shower glass doors is because they are so old. I had already tried everything and I thought it was worth a shot. And these worked. They worked beautifully. Now let me tell you what's important to know about these pumice stones. Now, the first thing you need to know about these is you definitely want them wet. Ideally, soak this in water for a little bit before you even try using it. That'll make it less abrasive and less likely to damage whatever surface you're cleaning. And the reason you want the white pumice stone is it's a much finer stone. So it's going to give that finer grind that's really nice for messes like toilet bowl rings and grout issues and cleaning glass. And then once you start using it, definitely keep it wet the entire time as well. Now, when I scrubbed my glass shower with this, I had to do it a few times. I started very gently, and then as I got more comfortable, I was able to scrub more, but I kept it wet and a little soapy the entire time. It worked beautifully. So if you have a really tough stain that you can't get rid of and you want something more abrasive, definitely consider the pumice stone. Just be sure you test it out in an inconspicuous spot first. Always be careful with something as abrasive as this.